Welcome back to Raiden Cooks, and today we're going to be making our own salad and vinaigrette. One of the most important aspects of a good salad is fresh ingredients, so we're here at a friend's house and we're going to pick some lettuce. We're just going to grab a bunch like this and pull it off and like that. So this is our lettuce. Then we're going to grab a few more. The importance for high quality vinaigrette is olive oil and vinegar. This is Hoji Blanca extra virgin olive oil from Spain. This is blood orange balsamic vinegar. So we're going to be making a basil vinaigrette. So this is fresh basil picked from our garden. This is a fresh herb garden. Fresh herbs are very useful. This is one way you can organize them. Smells good. And we're going to be using Dijon mustard. Okay, we're going to be using Maldon salt, and this is not the original packaging because it fell apart. So to make our vinaigrette, we're going to use everything here and blend it in our food processor. We'll start with half a cup of this extra virgin olive oil from Spain. We need 1/8 of a cup of vinegar, so it's about half of this. This is blood orange, so it already has a citrus flavor in it. We're gonna need about half of a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. So we'll add a little bit of Maldon salt, but it's to your taste. So we're gonna add some pepper. It's better if you grind it, but I don't have a grinder, so yeah. Lastly, we're gonna take the basil and we're gonna put it in the food processor. So now we're gonna blend it all together for about 30 seconds on low. Ugh! It's burning my nostrils. It smells like blood orange. It smells good. It's burning my nostrils. It doesn't smell bad, it just smells weird. It is good. So I think it needs more salt because it's like bitterness flavor, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt and see. Now that we have made our vinaigrette, we're gonna get the fresh salad that we picked from the garden and get it out the fridge. We're gonna take some lettuce and rip it up and put it in this big bowl. So now we're gonna chop the cucumber. So I think we're gonna use about half. So chop the ends off. We're gonna peel the cucumbers. Now we're gonna cut the cucumber up into little slices. For a hint of sweetness, we're gonna add a little bit of apple. I think we're gonna use about half the apple. We're gonna slice it like we did the cucumber. So now we're gonna transfer some to the bowl. Time to try it. This is good. The apple's adding flavor. I like it. It's good, guys. Remember, get the freshest ingredients you can and get the best olive oil you can. I hope you guys like this video. You guys should really try to make this. It's really good salad and healthy. So make sure you comment down below and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.